The Philco Magistouch Manila R Convertible is a high-end Bluetooth mechanical keyboard designed in Japan. Now, of course, I didn't buy this expensive keyboard, but I would like to thank Stax KB team for sending me over this keyboard for review purpose. And yes, I'll be returning this keyboard to them after the review period is over. Taking a look at the box itself, we get the Magistouch Manila R branding on top of the box. And inside it, we get the instruction manual on top. So if you want to know more about the functions of the keyboard, then I would definitely suggest you to check the manual and read it properly. Next to it, we get some extra keycaps, which are something really different, and I'll tell you more about it in the later part of this video. And along with that, you also get the keycap puller as well. Now, keeping aside the extra keycaps, we get into the keyboard itself, which feels really premium to hold, and it is heavy, weighing around 740 grams. Yes, the spacebar does kinda look weird, right? It is small, and I don't know what to say. Talking about the switches, the one that I have in my hand has the Cherry MX Silent red switches. Now if you want, you can also get this keyboard with the Cherry MX browns, reds, as well as Cherry MX blacks. And this keyboard doesn't have hot swap PCB, meaning you cannot change the switches if you want to upgrade them in future, but yes, you can do so by desoldering the switches, which is some extra work. This keyboard also comes with 3 colors, which includes Asagi, the one which is in my hand, matte black, and sky gray. Going deeper inside the box, you get the USB cable, but the connection is mini USB, which is in 2022 is an obsolete feature, and I don't really know why this connection is still being used. But nevertheless, the cable is provided with the box, and you can also use this keyboard wirelessly as a Bluetooth keyboard. But there's another catch. This keyboard doesn't have any rechargeable battery or anything as such. You will have to use 2 AA batteries to use the Bluetooth connectivity feature. And thankfully, 2 AA batteries are also provided with this keyboard for you to use, and you can connect up to 5 devices using Bluetooth. Talking about the keyboard, you get 1 adjustable height, which are backed with rubber feet, which is good as this keyboard won't slide on your desk. And also the switches to turn on and off the keyboard is also located at the bottom of the keyboard. Besides the switch, you also get the compartment for the batteries. Now there's no mention about battery life of this keyboard, but from my experience, keyboards with no RGB last for a really long period of time, probably around few months. On top of the keyboard, you also get few buttons that light up, signifying the device that is connected through Bluetooth. And on the front of the keyboard, you get the mini USB port for the cable, and besides you get an extra USB-A port, which is only functional when you're using this keyboard in USB mode. Let's talk about the keycaps right now, which is something really different and unique, like I said. These keycaps are known as patch keycaps, which has interchangeable legends, as you can see. Using the provided keycap remover or the keycap puller, you can remove the keycaps as well as the legends. So this is something really interesting that I have seen in this keyboard, along with the AA batteries and the small, space bar. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, how does this keyboard feel and sounds? Well, to be honest, I didn't really love typing in this keyboard, mainly because of the silent red switches. I want my keyboards to make some sounds because, that's how it is, right? Talky, clacky, and how mechanical keyboards are. But still, the typing feel is very premium, and you can definitely feel the high quality once you lift and start typing in this keyboard. Now, here's a sound test for you. Okay, should you get this keyboard? From my perspective, if you're looking for a premium mechanical keyboard that you want to use in your desk, of your home or your office, and you don't care about RGB lights or hot swappable switches, then of course you can think of getting this keyboard. Well, my bad, nothing, you can get this keyboard. It is really good for what it is. But if you're a serious gamer and you want an RGB enabled keyboard, or you feel like to modify your keyboard by changing the switches or keycaps, then this keyboard is not for you. There are better keyboards for you at prices much lesser than this one. If you're interested in buying this mechanical keyboard or any other mechanical keyboard, then you can check the Stax KB website. Here you can get keycaps as well as switches and even other gaming accessories, link of which you can find in the video description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like this video as well as subscribe to my channel to support to support me. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.